Perhaps the first thing I should say about Mrs. Sabapathy is that she looked like a headmistress, striding about the prep school grounds with her sari on, a pair of shoes and socks, and acting very much like she was in charge and the general. When she taught us math, she would cajole you into coming to the right answer, never criticizing, never complaining. And once you got the right answer, there would be this big smile that came on her face, as if you had succeeded, but as if she had succeeded. And it's an amazing gift to have as a teacher, that you can impart this feeling of joy about learning.
My classmate Paul's mother, Mrs. Sabapathy, taught us mathematics in class 8. Among the many things she taught us, I have the most vivid memories of simultaneous equations and parallel lines. When it came to parallel lines, one day she asked us to take our foot rulers, and we all went down to the railway line near Beligauda Bridge.
Tune in to the Prides of March. Do a YouTube Facebook search. Excitement galore like never before on the OL Assembly. Please watch.